Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baganet foodish, ordar mapi, ninwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Everything you say to me doesn't want to say nothing to the yes. It all wants to break. I need a little room to break. Cause I want to say nothing to the yes. And I'm about to break.
MP ke Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Khaluki uloong bak Sarkar Padang bak Sarkar Jilla kidai ban ailat ikipaj ba bakin beteng no ek jingti do yong thliu khnai lada ka Sarkar kampalla ban pensedang ya ka jingti do yong katkum ka juk start science ha kani ka Jilla ha ka jing kran ba kilat pathai khobor Dr. Khaluki uloong bo on sara ek ni ka mat hapo ka parliament lada ka Sarkar kamla ban pensedang no mar do ya ka jingti do yong katkum ka juk start science namar ba kipaj ba ki ba em kamai jakpo nakani ka kam kilama jing e hadu kata nakadaw ka jingpil ka policy trekam
siang lah murban keren ni kuntau doyong kami di lah list arsit lah aingan dari kerja aku ba keton kejing kelumar yang persyak so lah adjon juga session di kelas long ketika session yang ini lah long wash out ni kami awak dengan murban rabi yang kejo dari session bermula kini doyong tolong kini dia kata kawan keren dengan sepeni hendak keren di sini rei ngah ni sim tang kini bah kini kadai kawai sim state kadai kawai source of revenue ini nang tasa kawai pat kibrio jongi mensuang juong mensuang suah ban mi doyong ini duk umang duk pelan namar kata sim berbalik itu kiba ruspa go pli kimdon education mensuang kita kena long mehe rengkat bagi no hagi jinduk saya tanya mesti gini kata gimjo balik boleh renda lami doyong kila ruspa era ke jingong jong akan ngani ke pemerintahan adu arjar khatsa ke government central government ko nei state government ko nei de kata ka mo kata ka ong bele kata ka mining ke jong ka scientific mining haji syak kidai ben igan ke interest ke nomor boleh mau kita ko long ba Kipriyo jogi marngangawan na kita district biar dia tu suffer for no fault of us mentah for 40 years South Coast nem lati ketuka rat hole mining dang mentah gi realize begitu kumlong boleh mensuat dang na bengi song jengai na Delhi kim bengi lak le gini tiga kai ko bang ngaku mutrash nong stay ngas nosi ke bagi on do 2014 hado mentah kum long te who's at fault untuk central government and state government ni kita berlek ngel bagi ko aman nyiram gi beri jogi hendai ke jing do no misir kai mate gi beri jogi you see scientific mining is not that the government just say start they have to do the homework also they have to go to the spot study whether this scientific mining open cast mining is feasible or not in our state it is now almost from 2014 8 years nothing was done. Who's suffering? Our people are suffering. Then if you cannot do it, you are allowed it. Yes, if you cannot do it, why should my people suffer for the sake of a failure of a policy somewhere or somewhere? But there are times also which we should see which is more valuable, human life or other parts. If you feel that human life is not valuable, then okay. Or if you feel that the tribals are not valuable, then okay. But don't keep our people like this only. The state government is trying level best to get through the code for this. But my saying is that okay, let it be allowed, and something should be done. Many times, again and again, I said, if we have the evidence, if we have the facts, yes. You bring it out, go to the court, file an FIR, file a case in the Lok Ayukta. But to say, I'm very clear on this. Any statement given without any facts or evidence is nothing but a lie. So I'm saying that. I have said last time also. Any statement given without facts or evidence is nothing but a lie. You know, it's some sort of a mischievous political propaganda before the election. Who stopped them? If you are so concerned of your state, so concerned of the corruption of the government, let them bring it up. Then if they can pinpoint, then whoever is responsible have to step down. These people, they came through the back door. They, in 2018, they won from the Congress. And AITC came through the back door. They are yet to be tested by the people. So let them face first the electorate and then talk.